Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This took longer than I had planned because the parasites in me told me to turn it into a full costume, which I did. And now I'm overheating and I want to have breakfast. Okay, I think I want to start unwrapping my head if I can find an edge. All of these are tucked into other pieces. Okay, found one. This one should be easier. Ah! Oh my gosh, I can see with my other eye now. Not gonna lie, that felt like unwrapping a Christmas present if it was bad. Now let's take off the latex. Let's peel. Oh. Does this look even need nightmare fuel? Yikes. Okay, my full body is covered in paint and I do need to go shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
Do you know how long it took me to do this? 3 hours. You know how long I've had it on? 5 minutes, and I am about to wipe it off. I mean, I went upstairs and showed my dad, but he's watching football, so he doesn't care. But I mean, you guys care, right? I mean, hopefully you guys care. I'm using my Makeup Melt by Vike Beauty. Use code Cindy for 20% off. Here we go. I'm getting face paint and glitter in my eyes. I can't see. I mean, the makeup's...
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. In the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. My skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. I made the spikes out of clay. And then I spray painted them with silver paint. Oh, there we go. Also, I don't know how these people can wear so many layers. I love this look, but I am overheating right now a lot. So I can't wait, for this to come off. Have you seen squishy spikes? And also, ow. There's one thing I wanted to say. I know I rarely post my makeup on Instagram right now, so I'm gonna try to post more of it. But if TikTok gets taken down, I for sure will start posting everything on Instagram. And that is all I had to say, so do what you want with that information, and you have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day.
Do you know how long it took me to do this? 3 hours. You know how long I've had it on? 5 minutes, and I am about to wipe it off. I mean, I went upstairs and showed my dad, but he's watching football, so he doesn't care. But I mean, you guys care, right? I mean, hopefully you guys care. I'm using my Makeup Melt by Vike Beauty. Use code Sydney for 20% off. Here we go. I'm getting face paint and glitter in my eyes. I can't see. I mean, the makeup's coming off, but my eyebrows are not coming back. I see you winding and grinding. I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, that's all. Thanks for coming.
Time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. I made the spikes out of clay. And then I spray painted them with silver paint. Oh, there we go. Also, I don't know how these people can wear so many layers. I love this look, but I am overheating right now a lot. So I can't wait, for this to come off. Have you seen squishy spikes? And also, ow. There's one thing I wanted to say. I know I rarely post my makeup on Instagram right now, so I'm gonna try to post more of it. But if TikTok gets taken down, I for sure will start posting everything on Instagram. And that is all I had to say, so do what you want with that information, and you have an amazing day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns, take off this choker, take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit Gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was Aries. I had a lot of fun with it. I really tried hard trying to hide the headband from the horns. I forgot that word for a second. Honestly, wigs are so dangerous because every time I wear a new wig, I want to dye my hair a new color. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Ooh, right here. Ah, she really snapped. Now this side. Ooh, and the nose. Eee. I don't know why I make such weird noises when taking off latex. But now I'm just gonna go wash my face. I'm all clean now, but I decided to leave my eye makeup on because it's kind of bomb. Yeah.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup, because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse, because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Y'all already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I want to know what happens if I just pull the thread. Ow. Ah! Let's do it a little slower for this side. That wasn't very slow, was it? We still got these pieces, though. Ooh. Yummy. I can't control the things that I say sometimes. I apologize. Last little piece. Nice. This is useless. I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright, I think I got like most of it. But you guys have a great day today.
Take off my makeup with me, Shadow Man edition. It glows in the dark if anybody was wondering. This took me hours. I need to get my hair out of the way for this one. Use code Sydney for 20% off. This is depressing. I'm depressed. All that work. For what? To make a couple 15-second TikToks? Look at that. I'm gonna go shower and get the glue out of my eyebrows.
And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello, what's out there? It's time to take this off again. Roblox has so many different parts in it that I couldn't think of anything better than just doing a logo-inspired makeup. And for what it is, I'm really happy with the look. Let's take it off. Ooh, ooh. Ow! That didn't hurt, that was all acting. The tears are also fake. Ready? Watch this, no emotions. Nothing. But we're not done yet. Oh no. I thought it was in my hair for a second. Oof. Now it's just the easy part left. Lovely. This is what I see in my nightmares. This is always my favorite part. Oh, that's clean. I am so easily amused. Oh my god. Okay, please leave my eye. Thank you very much. And for the most part, I am clean. My face is slightly stained pink, but we can deal with it. And well, you guys have an amazing day.